Hello, welcome back to Bell CB. I've got a Galaxy DX-94HP for you today. This is for Robert in Florida. It's a tune-up report. Robert, let's take a look at low power because I've already got 10 watts dialed up there. Yep, power's all the way down. You see we're coming in just a shy over 4. And if I turn it all the way up, you'll see it peg the meter. So we'll go to the next scale. It's going to almost peg that one. It's right over at 30 watts. 10, 20, 30. Okay. Peak reading watts meter, 250 watts slug. 100, 150, 200. Of course, we're just going to be in here barely over 100, maybe 120.
Audio, check, 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 check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, 1, 2.
And sideband.
Audio, check, check, check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, 1, 2, 3.
Turn that radio off. Audio, check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.